Hello teachers, I am Harjinder Singh here. Today we are learning about teaching on screen by writing on screen rather than the video lectures, as it is more effective than the video lectures. For this, firstly go to the Google Meet app, tap on new meeting, start an instant link meeting. Now after joining the student, you can go to this three dot icon and choose second option, that is screen share. Tap on this, start sharing, start. After this you can go to whiteboard app, tap on this icon. Now on this whiteboard you can write anything anywhere. This is writing area. If any teacher find any difficulty to write on this blank paper, you can go to this icon and choose second option. You can choose color from anywhere of background and choose an option, first option, that is of page format, and you can write here. Now we will discussing some more features one by one. First is this option. After tapping on this option, you will be in the full screen mode. After this, the second useful option is this. You can add pages by tapping on this icon and go to this one. Tap on this sheet add. You can add different pages. The next major option is this. On tapping this icon, you can go for any PDF which is saved in your phone to show on screen. For example, going for downloads, and I have some page, and also you can write on this by tapping on this icon. You can write anywhere on this page. By tapping on this, you can share also any photograph from your phone on the screen and write on that to learn students about that picture or some parts of that picture. Next major option is this. By tapping on this, you can select anything, any text written by you, anything written on your screen can be selected and move. You can move by tapping on this icon. Next, this one is your marker icon, and by tapping on this you can choose a marker or a highlighter from this and choose any color, this one, and write on your screen. By your stylus. After this, the next major option is this eraser. You can erase anything, and if you want to adjust the size of this eraser, you can go here and adjust the size of your eraser. The next major option is this shapes. Shapes by which you can draw any shape on screen. You can draw any shape of any size that can be adjustable, of any color. You can choose color shapes from this icon. Next major option is this T, that's called text. By tapping on this, you can touch anywhere by your stylus and type anything on your screen. Undo and redo. Undo and redo options are there. If you have any mistake on a screen, then you can tap on this